today I 3D printed Holly Wheeler from Stranger Things. I am starting a new series when I 3D print YouTubers, movie stars, celebrities and just other people. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video and I'll just be explaining all the step-by-steps of what I do. So first I sliced the plate and you can see it loading right now. Then once it's sliced, I clicked print. I just made sure that everything was okay with the build, and once it was, I just clicked print and there we go, it started printing. When it finished 3D printing, I took all of the supports off of the 3D model. Then I started sanding the piece like shown in the image. I used a 240 grit sandpaper to do this, to make sure I was getting in all the little grooves and making it as smooth as possible to get rid of the small lines. Then I took it to my bathroom and rinsed it in the warm water to get rid of all the little plastic bits. Then I dried it off on a piece of tissue to make sure it was really dry. Then I sprayed paint, this like filler on it to like fill in the gaps of the 3D print lines. This is the name of it, primer filler, that's the name of it. Then once I waited for it to dry, I started painting all the details and all the main colours on the doll. So I started with the skin tone, then I started the hair, then I did the dress, and then I finished it with some details like the eyes and the lips and the shoes. And that's the finished product. I think I can do better than this, but for my first try I think I did very good. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See ya.